This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both screen and tools. Wipe with the alcohol pad, then buff with the microfiber. This removes oil so adhesives bond. Once done, use the dust tab across the screen edge to catch tiny lint. Now align the protector. Hold it by edges, line up cutouts and bezels, and lower one edge slowly. Make sure the orientation and camera holes match so you avoid redoing the whole job. Next, you apply the protector slowly and with control. Peel back about 1/3 of the adhesive backing, create a hinge with tape at the top, and rest the protector on the device. Then peel gradually while pressing down, which prevents trapping dust. Use a squeegee or credit card wrapped in microfiber to smooth from the center outward. This forces air and moisture out. If you see misalignment, lift and reseat immediately. Don't drag the adhesive. Finally, remove any top release film and make a final pass with the squeegee, focusing on edges to ensure full adhesion. If tiny bubbles remain, push them to the nearest edge. Trapped dust can be lifted with a piece of strong tape and peeled away. If a stubborn speck or large bubble persists, lift the protector carefully, clean that spot, and reapply. One key troubleshooting tip: if alignment fails after 2 tries, swap to a new protector. Reused adhesive often causes permanent bubbles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.